Welcome everybody to another session from Nairo. And in this session, I'm going to brief you how we can download the binaries, the respective binaries from SCM web. Before we proceed for downloading, we need to first get the necessary credentials from SCM. So for that, we have to request you to register the details in the SCM web page. So you can see the free trial. If you click on this free trial, it will ask the necessary details which you have to fill for getting the credentials. So once you get the credentials, you can directly continue to the web page, and you can, if you click on this download here, the next small window will pop up within it to fill up this credentials and before proceeding for downloading this uh, respective binaries. For example, if you see, this is the Windows binary. Like that, this page contains the previous binaries, previous releases like the AMS 2024.106, 2023.105, etc. Like that, we have the Linux binaries also, including the latest releases. So under Linux, we have this Intel MPI, Intel MPI with static link MKL, Open MPI, AMD. All the versions are available as per the releases. Here also we have the previous releases. So why this previous releases means that if an existing user who is using the older version and he changed the machine and he is not interested to proceed for any upgrades or updates, he can rely on the previous version, and with the same credentials he can download the previous releases from the respective web page. So that option is available in the SCM page. And moving a little down, you can see this Mac first platforms. I mean releases as well as previous releases, and then back first binaries. And before proceeding for the downloads, I mean the steps, I would like to show you that what are the platform specifications. So if you click here, it will open up into a page that which will brief you what are the minimum requirements required for each and every OSs. For example, if it is Windows, what should be that minimum configuration of the machine? It should be a 64-bit machine. Like that, all the information will be included in this platform information. So once that download is completed, for example, I will show you that how the installations will proceed in Windows. Once you download the Windows version using the credentials, it will open up this AMS 20 or that 11 version and the Windows MPA dot extension file. And once it is completed, you can proceed. Whether it will be downloading in your download folder, you can either press on that installer, or you can copy it to some other location and you can proceed with the installation steps. So what should be the installation steps? In this next slide, I will be showing that this will open up with a message that what should be the Windows version and who is the publisher. Anyway, you can trust this process and you can click on run anyway, and it will open up a new pop-up window that welcome to the install shield wizard. You can directly click on this next, and then it will pop up to the next window asking the username and the organization details. And again, if you press next, it will open up this Amsterdam Modelling Suite install sheet wizard containing where to install this Amsterdam Modelling Suite. So it will open up default to the C drive in Windows machine, and if you press on next, it will continue to that extraction process, and once it is finished, a small command line window will open up showing the estimated time of extraction and how the installation will process. And later, after finishing it up, you will see how to get the license for a Windows machine. So you can fill up these details, including your registered email, SCM user ID and password, which is received from that SCM through email, and then you can submit all these things directly. Or else, if you cancel it, if you press cancel, it will deliver a text message including the machine info with the necessary MAC address, ports, and the CPU model. So these details are very much important for generating the license, whether it's a fixed license or a floating license. the machine input. Similar will be the case with the Linux environment, but I will brief you in the next video that it will be a little bit important for showing you how to generate a license or how to install that steps in a Linux environment. So like that, once this window is generated, you can directly share the details to Nairo, and we will request SCM for generating the license for your execution. Thank you. We will see you in the next video.